welcome to another travel vlog. We are now in Paris after a couple of train journeys. I do always love taking the train, as you probably will remember from my trip to Brussels. Definitely prefer the train over flying when I can. So I'm here in Paris for the AndroidMakers by Droidcon event, which is starting tomorrow for 2 days. We are sponsoring the event at Vonage, and as always, I want to kind of take you along and show you what we're up to, and hopefully kind of show you a bit about the event as well. So first things first, as always, as we're here, let's do a quick hotel room tour. It's on the pokey side, it's small, but we are in Paris, so it's understandable. Let's give it a look. So here's the rather dark entrance to the hotel, and over here there's kind of, can barely even see that it's a door, but this goes into the bathroom, which we have here. Hello me. And it's quite a pokey bathroom. There's the toilet there, there's a decent sized sink, and actually, to be fair to it, a decent sized shower as well. So that is well, that's the bathroom really. That's all there is. Yeah, we'll come back out here, and again, the lighting isn't great in here, but that is what it is. And then from the bathroom, we come out into kind of the main room, which, I mean, again, it's quite small. There is a double bed at least. It's a good sized bed. You've got a couple of lamps. You've got a small desk space over here, and a little wardrobe space over here. And that's kind of it. Of course, as always, I have a view of a construction site. This happens all the time. I don't know what it is. I've obviously kind of done something in a past life, but there we go. And then we do have a small little TV on the wall as well. So that's kind of it for the room tour. Like I said, pretty small. Okay, so that's the room for now. That's kind of it. We're gonna probably go out for some dinner. I'm here with a few colleagues as well. It's not just me. So yeah, I might do some vlogging there as well. Otherwise, we'll cut to me once I'm back, and we'll wrap it up for today. But I'm definitely very excited. This is going to be a great event. It's not one I've been to before either, so it's a good addition to the Droidcon lineup. Yeah, let's go check it out. Good morning everyone, and welcome to day one of my trip to Paris for AndroidMakers by Droidcon. It's going to be a really great event, but first and foremost, the most important thing, let's go get some breakfast, and then let's get packed and ready to go. Okay, breakfast eaten. You know, not the best, not the worst. A good continental breakfast. So let's go get our bag. I've got a big old bag that I have to take with us today because we've had some issues with shipping into Paris, and our parcels actually aren't here yet with all our swag. So I brought backup swag. We're going to get started with that. Hopefully the parcels will arrive today. I'll keep you up to date with that drama. And yeah, let's go get down to the venue and start getting set up. It's a lovely bright 7 a.m. in the morning. This is definitely the less glamorous side of the job, but it's good fun. So let's go get it done, and let's get ready to meet everyone. So we are at the end of day 1. Oh, what a busy day it was. We had an incredibly busy day with the spinning wheel. People absolutely loved it. You could probably hear it in my voice. My voice is shot. That's how we know we've had a good conference. There was a party this evening, but I'm exhausted, so that's not happening. I might go out for some dinner with my colleagues, but I might also just order some takeaway and sit in bed. I don't know. This might be the end of this vlog, so if it is, please do make sure to hit that like button if you enjoy this content. Please do subscribe as well. We are on our way to 200 subscribers, and I'd absolutely love for you to join that. It's amazing. We're going to keep up this kind of content, more vlogs. We've got so many more Droidcons to go to this year. It's going to kind of be a complete tour of Droidcon. It's amazing. So do make sure to check those out. Thank you very much, and there might be some more footage now, but there probably won't be. I am tired. We have done so much. So incredible, though, to see such a big Android community coming back together. So for now, goodbye, and see you again soon for the next part 2, day 2. We're going to be doing a whole other day of the conference and then traveling home in the same day. Am I crazy? Probably yes, but still 100% worth it. See you all next time.